Welcome to Dheya Career Mentors. I want to take you through this compass product called Dheya Compass. Dheya Compass is basically, if you're a parent who is having a teenager at home and you are looking for the basically what they need to do after their 10th or their 12th standard. So let me just explain to you in a very simple term. There are three simple things that this compass is going to do to you. One, we call it the three Ds. The first is discovery. Discover your own child's strengths. So your child will know his own or her own strengths very well. And it's going to be validated with the parents and the child and the mentor sitting together. So that's the first D. The second D is taking a direction. And I say taking a direction, a strategic direction towards a career choice of 50 years. It's not about education, it's about the work life, 50 years of work life. It's taking a direction, a strategic direction in the right direction. For example, is your child knowledge oriented, skill oriented, or personality oriented? Accordingly, taking a direction which will be backed up with a lot of psychometrics and processes and tools which are all reliability tested and validated. And the third D is about the destination, selecting and enabling the child to make a decision with a lot of research, with a lot of frameworks into place and designing a destination. So the compass is about the three Ds. I'll repeat: discover yourself, know yourself very well, take a direction and select the right destination for the next 50 years of your life. And what's the benefit? You save time, you save money, and you get your child more focused. Because once the child is enabled to take a decision, there's complete focus in the child's mind, the child is excited. So it's a huge advantage. So do not delay. If your child is 13 years of age, it is the right time to start. Take the compass and give your child the right direction. Thank you.